What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Fiesta remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2015 to 2019 Ford Fiesta, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a quarter. If you don't have a quarter available, you can also use a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side we can see there's this notch right here. And if you notice, that notch is perfectly sized to fit a quarter in there like that. Once that's in there, what I'm going to do is just twist the quarter like I'm opening a lock with a key. And it pops this back cover up. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. And if you just push on the edge of the battery, you can pick it up and get it out of there like that. I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up like that. Push that down into the holder, and then we'll snap our back cover on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.